How does the Space Object Registration Convention work? Imagine a world where every object launched into space is carefully tracked and recorded. That's exactly what the Space Object Registration Convention aims to do. This international treaty helps countries keep a detailed list of all space objects they send into orbit or beyond. It's like a giant catalog that everyone can access, making space safer and more organized. When a country launches something into space, like a satellite or a piece of a rocket, it becomes the launching state. The treaty says that this country must create its own official list, called a registry. This list includes details such as the name of the object, the date it was launched, where it was launched from, and its orbit parameters. Orbit parameters tell us how high the object is flying and where it's located around the Earth. If more than one country is involved in the launch, they decide which one will be the official state of registry. That country then takes responsibility for registering the object and sharing this information with the United Nations. The United Nations Secretary-General maintains a master list called the United Nations Register of Objects Launched into Outer Space. This list is open to the public, so anyone can see what objects are in space, who launched them, and where they are supposed to be. The registered information is not just a one-time thing. If an object changes orbit, stops working, or re-enters Earth's atmosphere, the launching state must update the information. This keeps everyone informed about what's happening in space and helps prevent collisions. For astronauts and mission controllers, knowing where objects are and their status is vital for safety. If debris is headed toward the International Space Station, for example, ground teams can warn astronauts and help them avoid danger. The registration process also encourages countries to improve how they track space objects. They can suggest updates, like including more detailed orbital data or noting when objects are no longer active. These updates help manage the growing number of objects in space and make space activities safer for everyone. In the context of developing space policies and future space law, this convention is a key tool. It promotes transparency and responsibility among nations, helping to prevent conflicts and accidents. For space agencies and future missions, understanding how objects are registered and tracked is part of planning safe and successful space operations. It's a system that supports responsible exploration and ensures space remains accessible and safe for all.